This is the SoCal Update. I'm Kathy Hui. LA County District Attorney George Gascon has launched an ambitious slate toward criminal justice reform. A South LA man named Reginald Wheeler hopes his case will get another look under these new policies. It's Monday, March 15th. LA County DA George Gascon wants his staff to review thousands of cases of people in prison. If his team decides an original sentence was too harsh, they will try to get the individual released. Robert Grova has the story of one man from South LA who hopes Gascon's new policy will benefit him. Robert, can you tell us about this particular case that you've been covering?
Well, his name is Reginald Wheeler. He was convicted of kidnapping for robbery in 1985. The crime involved $14 in cash and a watch. No one was hurt, but he was sentenced to 8 years to life. And 36 years later, he's still in California State Prison.
Why has he been in prison for so long?
Well, part of that is because the robbery involved moving the victim about 100 feet off the street. That's what got him the aggravated kidnapping charge. Once you add that on, the law allows for a much harsher sentence. In the end, though, Wheeler's been behind bars for this long because he's been denied parole more than a dozen times over the years for things like having a cell phone or marijuana. You also have to think about the tough on crime, war on drugs rhetoric of the 80s and 90s, and that's when Wheeler was convicted.
Wheeler says he's the poster child for the DA's sentence review. What are his reasons?
Well, he claims this is a classic case of the punishment not fitting the crime. Plus, Gascon has promised to review the cases of anyone who's been in prison for more than 15 years. Wheeler's been in prison for more than 30 years. His family is really hoping he's right on this. It's been trying to call attention to his case, and they've lobbied Gascon on his behalf. They want Wheeler to be able to reunite with what's left of his family. Only 2 of his 12 brothers and sisters are still alive.
Thank you, Robert, for this reporting.